In today's quick start, we are going to configure the Informatica Web Service Hub. To configure the WSH, or the Informatica Web Service Hub, log into the PowerCenter Administration Console, choose Administration Console from the Assistant menu, and once you log in, you see your standard domain configuration information for your PowerCenter instance. We'll use the Create drop-down and choose Web Services Hub. Once we've selected this, we need to provide a name for our Web Services Hub. Following down the form, ensure that a domain, a license, and a node has been selected. Also ensure that you associate a repository service with this Web Services Hub. You'll need the correct credentials to ensure that your administrator hub functions correctly. Then you'll also need to provide the HTTP protocol for which your Web Service Hub will be accessed. We'll simply use standard HTTP access and protocol. Utilizing HTTPS for security, for added security, requires an additional step. Our host name is going to be the same as our server name. In most cases, this will be localhost, but depending on your server configuration, this may vary. The default hub port number is set at 7333. This can be changed at any time, and if you change or edit it while the Web Service Hub is running, you'll need to restart the Web Service Hub for that to take effect. By completing the form and clicking Create, our Web Services Hub service will now be created. Often it is set so that it is not running after it has been created, but to simply run the Web Services Hub, this can be accomplished by clicking the Enable button. This usually takes a few seconds, and once returned, we should be able to see that our service is indeed running, operational, and available to accept incoming requests. Now that our Web Services Hub is running, we can see that we have a tab here called Associated Repository. Unlike the integration service, Associated Repository can be applied to the Web Service Integration Hub can be applied to more than one repository service. To add an additional repository service, click the Add button, and you're prompted to make a selection for any additional repository services that you have running on this Informatica domain and node. We have no additional ones at this time, so that will conclude this really quick start tutorial on how to create a Web Services Hub in Informatica.